Come on now.
All right, I'm gonna videotape them playing.
You know, Auntie wants you to play basketball.
Both my kids play basketball until like 7th grade, then they both were like, nah, I don't want to do this anymore.
No more basketball. So we're getting they're putting in a brand new patio door. There's Korea. So,
What do you do?
listen.
Let's see. Yellow is my favorite color. Can I write yellow? Can I use yellow? Yeah.
You shake it and
Oh, you shake it first?
Shake it and then
Shake
pump
it?
Oh, that's so cool.
Shake it and pump it. Watch out, so don't knock your hand now. It pushes the, you gotta push the
You got a nice big window here. This is
I
cool.
think that colors on there is great. They really are bright. Let's make a sun. Wanna make a sun? Ooh, big sun.
Hendrix, what you doing there, buddy? You got some sand in your hand? You got sand in your hand?
And then you fell? Oh. Did you cry? Yeah, you cried a little. Yeah.
What you got there, buddy?
You're a tough cookie, huh?
You are a tough cookie. Sometimes
Oh.
I hurt myself too, so it's okay. Cry, but you're toughy. You like my flower? That's a minion. Don't pull them off though, okay?
We're gonna get you some for your crockies, right? Maybe we can get Daddy one.
walking for at least 2.5 months.
Almost, no, 3.
Almost 3 months.
Yeah.
And we just needed to let them have a week off and just relax. So thankful to Teresa who was like, come anytime, come. So we're really happy that they were there.
Okay, so we're just gonna go for a walk around today and do a little sightseeing. It's a nice day, about 75 to 80 degrees, and so we'll get some shots, videos, and we'll get some pictures of Plymouth, Massachusetts. I know downtown is kind of cool, but we'll see. We're gonna do some walking today, stretch our legs out, see how they feel. Up here by the harbor, we're walking around, see the many boats in the water. It's a nice day, windy. So they have a replica, I'm assuming, of ships that sailed across. pretty expensive to go on the tour, so we're not going to go on that. So I'm just going to walk around here, get some sights, take a break. What is that? Big propeller?
Huh?
Big propeller?
Big, huge propeller, man. Those are heavy metal. I didn't know they're, I guess I didn't, it has to be made out of something like that because otherwise they'd break off. They're heavy, some type of steel.
Oh yeah, definitely. Should we walk down to Plymouth Rock?
Yeah, let's see the big old huge rock.
That's not
It's
actual.
overwhelming.
That's not the actual rock,
Not the
right?
actual rock, but they just have there symbolically.
Yeah.
It's somewhere else. It's not quite here.
I think it's offshore, right?
Yeah, it's offshore somewhere out there.
All right.
Not where.
Well, maybe we'll find a park bench here and we can do a video of what, you know, what we've been going, what we've been doing, kind of get caught up. All right, go ahead.
What are you talking about?
Well, just what our plans are going back on trail.
We've been on trail for almost 3 months, and our knees were bothering us, feet were bothering us. I was kind of worried about my knee. I knew I had arthritis, but anyway, I went into a chiropractor. He did all the different, and also a physical therapist. So basically, he maneuvered my leg all different kinds of ways, and one thing we could come up with was it was arthritis, and maybe I strained my meniscus. So let it rest. So it's been resting about a week now, and so by the time we get back on trail, it'll be about a week and a half.
Yeah.
So I think it'll give it enough time to heal.
Well, yeah. We'll find out.
Yeah,
So
find
we're giving it a good amount of rest, so that once we do start back, and my knees too. Once we do start back, then if there's any more problems, then we know it's probably
worse than we thought.
yeah.
But we're just gonna go, and we're gonna skip part of the
We're skipping New Hampshire, which is the White Mountains, which are very, very hard.
strenuous and hard on the body.
Southern Maine was hard too, and so those two areas are very hard. So we figured we'd start in Vermont, where it's not as rugged, hopefully.
Hopefully, it's still gonna be tough, but not as physically demanding as
Yeah,
the other states.
climbing over rocks and on rocks all day is hard on the knees.
So we're keep on going, and we debated on going down to Virginia and West Virginia because it's so beautiful, and we don't want to miss the ponies and all that. But we were talked into going ahead and getting into Vermont and doing Vermont.
And logistically, it's hard to get cars and stuff to places.
It is very difficult
right now.
We couldn't even get to West Virginia.
That's why we have to wait for like till the 1st to go out, because there weren't even cars available
to rent.
Yeah, so we'll head out then, and we'll just be able to get back on trail.
Yep.
And
yep, I'm excited to get back on trail. I miss it. I sleep better, and miss it. It's exciting and fun, and it's always something new every day. And
it's just
never get bored.
It's kind of weird just going into towns now with masks and everything.
It's very upsetting. It's very sad in some ways.
So being on the trail, we don't even think about it.
Nope.
And,
Nope. And that's not reality, but it's our reality. So there you go.
Basically, just thinking about where we're going, what we're going to eat, where we're going to sleep.
Yep.
And just kind of enjoy the views as we go.
Yep. So we're enjoying it here. It's gorgeous. You can see the ocean behind us and all the boats. On the other side, there's even more boats, but we didn't want to be in the shade for this. We wanted to at least have some.
Although the clouds came by.
Clouds just whatever.
So we're going to go walk by the Plymouth Rock.
Yeah.
Which isn't really the rock.
Underwhelming, but you know,
we'll show it to you.
It's a symbolic rock. It's not the rock, you know.
So we'll show that to you in a little bit.
And then they have the Mayflower 2, which is very similar to Mayflower 1, but of course it's not the same boat. Okay, people. But it's very similar.
It's kind of busy here. Of course, touristy prices, so all of the tourist stuff is just too expensive to go on.
We're just like,
just a waste of money. I mean,
we're on a budget.
We could buy a lot of Spam.
I could buy a lot of backpacking food for that. But anyway.
All right.
Beautiful.
Just wanted to catch you all up.
have this big old mausoleum, but that little rock.
Yeah. Well, this is just a little thing for the Plymouth Rock, which is an actual rock. But see this columned building. That's a nice view.
It's an hour. It looks like one. Very pretty. Look at these two. Hi, little guys. You enjoying your little river here? It goes under this bridge. See if I can make it small. Yeah. Taking a bath. So pretty. Where's this water coming from? That's what I want to know.
Find out.
The streets? I hope it's not gray water. Ooh. Well, not. Because where would it be
From here.
coming from? I know. This is all like. Hopefully it's drainage. Hopefully it's rainwater drainage kind of thing.
I think so.
You know, like shed water. Because there's a lot of it. It's all leading to the ocean. It's really pretty. And that's all a big brick wall. Ooh, wow. It's Jenny Pond, I guess. Road. Ooh. This has a real pretty mural on it of an old gristmill, apparently, and a bunch of fish. I wonder if it's salmon. I don't know. There's a turtle. Look at this. This is going. Rapids right here. It's river heron. This is designed to help the river heron go up the river. Super neat. Oh. No, I love them. All these brown eyed Susan. And these, I still don't know what they are. I need to find out. Big old leaves. And then these cattails are beautiful. Just gorgeous. Plastic cigars. And then the fish can come down that way because they'll get hit by that rock, but hey. And then the wheel is actually turning. Oh, this maple is beautiful. Oh, I remember coming here. It was pretty interesting, if I remember right.
We're by a water wheel. Kind of cool. Yeah. Wasn't working or something, huh? The water making the wheels spin. Going pretty fast. We're still here in Plymouth. This is just a big old statue. I'll walk up to it. I remember seeing it before, but I think it's four-sided. It's huge. So it's liberty, faith is on top, national monument to the forefathers, peace, profit. It's kind of cool. Passengers on the Mayflower. Probably can't see it because of the sun. Law, youth, education. You can tell it's pretty big.
Our lobsters, yum yum. Yum.
You gonna wear
I
your
guess I
mask?
could take my mask off. I don't need that anymore.
So where are we?
Where are we?
We're in the ocean
We're in the ocean.
in Plymouth, Mass. On Michael's boat.
Is it right here? Woohoo! Look at this. This is a nice view right here. It smells delicious. Oh,
I was always our thing, get fried clams in it. I went to
that smells.
doesn't have to have meat. You do feel pretty disgusting after you.
Really?
It's totally worth it.
Huge price you have to pay.
It's worth it. It's asking for trouble.